Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome students to Quran Foundation course. As we know that we are having Noorani Qaida course, Quran Foundation course, and we did 10 lessons of our course. And Alhamdulillah, today we are moving on to lesson 11. Lesson 11 is about Shaddah, Tashdeed, and that Shaddah, which is a small w, you can say the small w one. This small w is called Shaddah in Arabic. Shaddah represents doubling of a same letter. So that's why whenever we spell and whenever we read that Shaddah sign with hija, whenever we spell, so firstly we read letter which is having a sign of Shaddah. Firstly we read with sakin and secondly with a sign, whatever it is. For example, in the very first line, we got ba. So whenever we pronounce it with hija, with spellings, we say hamza ba fatha ab ba fatha ba abba abba. So we are reading ba twice. First with sakin sign, and secondly we read that letter, same letter with fatha, because we got fatha over the ba. So instead of reading ba with sakin, ba with fatha, we simply put that little W shape, Shaddah sign, over the letter and we pronounce it twice. Got it? Now I'm going to spell it. Hamza ba fatha ab ba fatha ba abba abba. So firstly we read that ba with sakin, hamza ba fatha ab, and after that we read it with ba with fatha, ba fatha ba abba abba. You can hear that I am reading ba twice, abba abba. So this is doubling, and that shadda actually it is representing that doubling of same letter. Hamza ba fatha ab ba kasra bi abbi abbi abbi. All right, so repeat after me. Inshallah, we will do one by one with spellings and without spellings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. همزة با فتحة أب با فتحة با أب. همزة با فتحة أب با كسرة بي أبي. And as I already explained, whenever we have hamza, our alif, wow, and ya. So instead of reading alif, wow, and ya, we just pronounce hamza. So that's why I'm pronouncing hamza here. Hamza ba fatha ab ba kasra bi abbi. Hamza ba fatha ab ba dhamma bu abbu abba abbi abbu. Hamza ba kasra ib ba fatha ba ibba. Hamza ba kasra ib ba kasra bi ibbi. Hamza ba kasra ib. Firstly I'm reading ba with sakin. Hamza ba kasra ib ba dhamma bu ibbu ibba ibbi ibbu. Hamza ba dhamma ub ba fatha ba ubba. Hamza ba dhamma ub ba kasra bi ubbi. Hamza ba dhamma ub ba dhamma bu ubbu ubba ubbi ubbu. Getting? Hamza ba fatha ab ba double fatha ban abban. Hamza ba fatha ab ba double kasra bin abbin. Hamza ba fatha ab ba double dhamma bun abbun abban abbin abbun. We are having same letter, meaning ba, right? Because ba got Shaddah sign here. So we are having that letter twice. Firstly with sakin sign and secondly with double zamma. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double fatha ban, ibban. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double kasra bin, ibbin. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double zamma bun, ibbun, ibban, ibbin, ibbun. Hamza ba zamma ub, ba double fatha ban, ubban. Hamza ba zamma ub, ba double kasra bin, ubbin. Hamza ba zamma ub, ba double zamma bun, ubbun, ubban, ubbin, ubbun. Hamza ta fatha at, ta fatha ta, atta. Hamza ta fatha at, ta kasrati, atti. Hamza ta fatha at, ta dhammatu, attu, atta, atti, attu. Okay, now these three lines without spellings. Abba, abbi, abbu, ibba, ibbi, ibbu, ubba, ubbi, ubbu, abban, abbin, abbun, ibban, ibbin, ibbun, ubban, ubbin, ubbun, atta, atti, attu. In short, Shaddah represents doubling of the same letter. For example, we got ba. So the same letter in a word, it comes twice. Once we read it with sakin sign, right? While joining it with the very first letter. For example, here we got Hamza, right? So we will join first ba with sakin sign. We will join it with Hamza. We will say them together. Hamza ba fatha ab. And after that, we read ba with sign, whatever it is. Here we got kasra sign, fatha sign, zamma, sometime double fatha, sometime you will have double zamma, sometime you will have double fatha. So you will pronounce that sign secondly, as we did here. Hamza ba fatha ab, sakin with Hamza. After that, ba kasra bi with its own sign, ba kasra bi. And this one, the Shaddah sign, it is representing that ba came twice in a word. Once with sakin sign and secondly with the sign, with a vowel, whatever it is. Fatha, kasra, zamma, double fatha, double kasra, double zamma. You can get by seeing the sign. I hope you got this. See you inshallah in our next session. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.